The 12 Princesses and the Starlight Quest. In a realm where magic flowed like rivers of stardust, the kingdom of Starlight united all lands with its radiant glow. Its heart, the star crystal, balanced the magic of every realm, from deep oceans to soaring mountains. But one fateful night, the star crystal shattered, its 12 shards scattering to the winds, finding sanctuary in the lands of 12 princesses. Without its light, the magic connecting their realms began to fade, threatening the harmony of the world. A call went out to the princesses: Ariel, Belle, Cinderella, Tiana, Rapunzel, Mulan, Pocahontas, Elsa, Moana, Snow White, Jasmine, and Aurora. Each shard lay hidden in their unique worlds, testing their courage, wisdom, and hearts. Together they would embark on the Starlight Quest to restore the star crystal and reignite the magic that bound their kingdoms together.